6-year-old black female with black hair, brown eyes, and approximately 3 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 45 pounds, and was last seen wearing a pink top, pink petite pants, and pink sparkly sneakers. Elise Whipple was abducted by the non-custodial mom named Leanna R. Wilson, who is described as a 50-year-old white female with blonde hair, approximately 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 135 pounds. We need your help. Anyone with information is asked to call 911. Do not attempt to stop or apprehend the vehicle or suspect. Please call 911. Thank you.
Specialized in advanced individual graph tech.
Here we go again. Oh God.
This is Detective Captain Frank Hart of the Massachusetts State Police. The Massachusetts State Police and the Fitchburg Police Department have activated an Amber Alert system for an abducted child. Please be on the lookout for the following vehicle. A 1998 Buick Century color blue, bearing South Carolina registration of Jake John T Tango 687. This vehicle was last seen traveling on Normandy Road in Fitchburg. Elise Whipple has been abducted and is in extreme danger. Elise Whipple was last seen Wednesday, January 8th at approximately 3 p.m. in the Normandy Street area of Fitchburg. Elise Whipple is described as a 6-year-old black female with black hair, brown eyes, and approximately 3 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 45 pounds, and was last seen wearing a pink top, pink petite pants, and pink sparkly sneakers. Elise Whipple was abducted by the non-custodial mom named Leanna R. Wilson, who is described as a 50-year-old white female with blonde hair, approximately 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 135 pounds. We need your help. Anyone with information is asked to call 911. Do not attempt to stop or apprehend the vehicle or suspect. Please call 911. Thank you.
The surge of LeGarrette Blunt.
Searching for more on the secret spot, exclusively on 80.
Oh wow.